sunshine here regardless if you do believe. Hey, still awake in the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby don't lose control. I'm focused on you baby, lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you and still they're so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile, oh yeah. And how you make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no.
Hey, we are starting the hike at Preikestolen. This is the start. We've got our coffee and I'm already regretting doing leg day yesterday. We've got an hour's hike to the top. Hopefully we get some good views. So yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go. I'm too hot. Only 20 minutes into the walk, the hike. Oh,
really steep beginning.
Do you like my t-shirt? My granddad passed away and the only thing he left me was a hat, this t-shirt and a fake watch. Yeah?
Look who popped up.
Hey, oh, she's she's twerking. Hey, oh, there he is. Right, I'm going to take a picture, so you've got to jump up in the air and then I'll take the picture. Ready? Okay. Go on. Okay, that wasn't a picture. I just recorded you.
Huh? That's the most fake I've ever seen.
So if you made it this far into the vlog, at 1,000 subscribers, we're giving away the GoPro 8. So this is the corny part where I say, subscribe, ring the bell. But we need 1,000 subs to become a YouTube partner. So do us a favor and subscribe just down there. Gracias.
That was steep. Just sitting down for a little break.
Joa and his girlfriend Josephine were supposed to join us on this trip, and we got a picture last night of him dressed up as a woman. So we figured that it would be too hungover to come today. But yeah, I bet he's in bed hungover. Sick. But we're out here fresh to death, drinking water and climbing a bloody cliff. 5 minutes, 10 minutes and we'll be up the top. Hopefully the sun comes out.
Look at that waterfall there. Beautiful. Doing you. Wee-oo. Cuckoo.
After, oh my god, my hair's a mess.
Oh, that was steep.
After an hour and a half, we made it. There's the edge of the rock there. We ain't gonna show you the view yet. We'll have to wait for that. Oh, let's go. Okay, so we made it to the top. It's very windy. I'm not sure if you can hear us. And look at this view.
The madman sitting on top of that cliff there, hanging with his feet out.
I guess look at I don't know what he's saying.
He said, take a picture of me now.
But I guess I'm going to climb up there, try and get a picture of Eileen on the edge of there. Let's go.
She's scared of
A man's got to do what a man's got to do to get the perfect view. To get right up on that corner though. But it's all muddy and slushy, so I need to be careful. But it's going to be worth it, especially Eileen's picture. She's going to be standing on the corner and I'm going to get a bird's eye view of her, so she's going to appreciate it. And it's a harsh climb as well. Oh, I'm out of breath, but we finally made it. Look at this for a view. Preikestolen. I don't know whether you can see, but there's Eileen. Wave! Can't see her. But look at that. Oh. Okay, we're finally at the bottom, and we thought we'd tell you some fun facts. The rock is 10,000 years old and it was formed during the Ice Age. It's 300 meters above sea level. And what else?
Mission Impossible 6 was filmed there. They flew Tom Cruise up on the top and apparently he broke his ankle, was it?
Yeah, on the stunt, I think so. Yeah, so Tom Cruise, the Mission Impossible 6 was filmed up there, so an amazing fact. But yeah.
Just so you know.
Anyway, go check out our last video in Bergen. We're out. Peace.
We're getting down in Tequila Town, taking shots, naked selfies. The only plan in Tequila Town is to plan for a plan B.